Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Friday the 13th. Haven't had anything bad happen yet, so that's good. Let me show you what we did today. We kind of got some things done here. So I started the morning by pulling this out. I took it around the neighborhood. We have officially hit 20 miles. We were at 17 this morning. I drove it until I hit 20. Car ran great. It's going to be sitting, other than just pulling out of the garage in and out, it's not going to be being driven much for the next really 2-3 weeks because of vacation and whatnot. So got 20 miles on it, happy. Brought it home, and in a video that you're going to see later while I'm on vacation, I talk about what happened to the doors, the paint, and what we're doing to correct it. And then I disassemble the door. So I took the weather stripping off here. I took the door handles off. I took the door seals off that went around here. Taped up the latch in there. Just trying to get it ready so that we can tape it off and tape off the backside and get it done. But in doing that, found some things. This is what it looked like underneath this on here. So interesting enough, like right here, that's still sticky. It's not dry. The clear's not dry. So gonna get it sanded down, redone. I did all 4 doors. I left the mirrors on here just for backing it in now, because right now we're not sanding on doors yet. So once we start that, then I'll go ahead and pop those off. But for now, everything's put away, everything's labeled. Just trying to prep for what's coming. We have every intention of painting that door and re-clearing the other 3 in October when we come back from Rome, Italy, and Paris, France. So, and you know, we have an update on that. Big Ron is going all of a sudden. So he was gonna stay, hang out with Grandma, but things have changed and he's going. So we're all going. So that's changes things on the 40, but not the end of the world. We're happy to have him. We're gonna go see Normandy. He's never been to Paris. I've never been to Rome, but they've been a couple times, and go do all that. So that should be a lot of fun. But anyway, back to cars. So we got that done, and then it started monsooning outside. I had to pull the cars in, and it's pretty much rained since noon. So what I did, rather than do nothing, I got the insulation in here on one side. The other side, I mean, I didn't want to, I need to pull the seat, but I didn't want to try to open that door. I got it as tight as I could over there on the thing without getting crazy, so we can still get in it. But got the insulation in here. I think it looks pretty good. Really happy with it. Went over this with a heat gun and a roller, and got it really as smooth as humanly possible. Cut out for the bolts and whatnot, so if we ever need to do something, we can do that. We still need to seam seal the tunnel around the shifter, so I'm not doing that, and I need to pull that seat, and I just don't have time to do it. But I did get this done, so I'm very, very happy with that. Now tomorrow is going to be a big day. So that's pretty much what we got done today. Weather, I mean, yeah. So tomorrow, barring it's not monsooning in the morning, we're gonna pull the 40 and the thing out And the 63 Chrysler 300 is coming in the garage. First time in a long time. We're gonna jack it up and we're gonna attack the brakes. That is our goal. This has, really the issue with the brakes need bled, and I'm sure I have some leaks somewhere. Some air leaks and whatnot we just need to find. So we're gonna get it in, get the tires off of it, get it jacked up, get the tires off, and then go around to all the brake line fittings and just do a quick tighten down of everything, double check it all, and then we're gonna go ahead and start bleeding the brakes. Because right now this is like pedal to the floor, kind of no brakes. You'd be better off Fred Flintstoning than trying to hit the brakes in this car right now. So now here's the deal with this. It's not like we're trying to bleed the brakes on a car that has bad brakes. The rear brakes are brand new. Rear drums, rear ends redone, drivetrain's new. It's got 2 piston calipers on the front, brand new. It's got 11-inch rotors. It's got a dual master cylinder as opposed to the stock single with a power brake booster. It's got all the things. All we got to do is bleed it and find the leaks and make sure everything kind of does what it's supposed to do. So that's what's going to happen tomorrow. And if we have time, we'll adjust the shift linkage and on the 4-speed and kind of get that going and kind of go from there. And then see where we're at. Probably Sunday, what we'll do is pull the dash out of this and metal condition it and prime it and get that done as well. So that is what's coming tomorrow. I'm actually really excited about that. I love the Chrysler. I want to get that thing to where it starts, stops, steers, does all the things. And right now it runs good. It runs good. The tranny's good. It just needs the linkage adjusted. But all of that is brand new. You know, so shouldn't really have too many issues. The brake lines are all brand new. I bought the brake line kit from Inline Tube, and everything on there is new. So new proportioning valves, all of that, residual valves, the lot. So we should be okay. I'm really excited to get this up in the air, and tomorrow I'll take you guys around this car and really show you this car underneath and everything, so you can understand what we've got. There's some really cool stuff about this car, and I wish I had it uncovered right now, but it's still raining and there's no windows in it, so I apologize. If you're looking for what this car looks like, go look. There's a playlist on the channel, and I've got, I think, a couple videos of it on there. Haven't got a lot, but we've actually got on this car, as far as metalwork, bodywork, so on and so forth, mechanically, years of work in this car. And we did some things that is going to make this totally different from an aesthetic point of view than any that I've ever seen. I've deleted a lot of chrome on this and really streamlined the front, welded up all the holes. I mean, down the fenders there was chrome trim that went up. All of that's gone. I got rid of all the trim around the front for the most part. The trim that went down the hood, gone. I've custom made a grill for this, which is really slick. You're gonna love it. We got rid of all the chrome and stainless on the back of the car, so it's gonna be a lot less classic and more custom, if that makes sense. So hopefully we get there eventually, because I'd love to see this car become what I always wanted it to become, because it needs to get there. So anyway, that's what we're gonna be doing tomorrow, working on this monster, and I'll do a big video on it tomorrow and walk you guys through it and show you everything and all the things that make this unique. And I'll tell you the story of how we ended up with the transmission, and how it became a 4-speed and all of the things, and how we found all that and so on, because it's wild. There's a hell of a story. It goes with this, and some of it pertains to graveyard cars a little bit too, so kind of interesting. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you for watching Brown's Rod & Custom. We do have a Twitter page we just fired up. It's Brown's Rod & Custom. Just check us out on Twitter. We also have a Facebook page and an Instagram, so if you guys are looking for more content and whatnot from us, it's going to be there. I'm doing different videos for TikTok than I am for YouTube, so check it out. It's pretty cool. We're trying to get things going around here, and yeah, I'm gonna go eat dinner, guys. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna keep rocking over here. See you in the morning, and we'll start working on a big Chrysler. See you guys.